Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got some exciting news for all the self-employed folks out there. Imagine getting up to $32,220 back from the IRS, money you might have missed out on during 2021. Sounds too good to be true? Well, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how you can still claim these COVID-19 sick and family leave credits. Let's dive in. So what are these credits and why haven't you heard about them? Back in 2021, there were special sick and family leave credits available specifically for self-employed individuals. But here's the catch. They didn't get much publicity. Even many tax professionals weren't fully aware of them. As a result, thousands of self-employed people missed out on claiming them. The good news? You can still get this money by amending your 2021 tax return. There are 4 different credits in total, 2 for sick leave and 2 for family leave. These are refundable credits, meaning you can get the full amount even if it exceeds your 2021 tax liability. That's cash directly back into your pocket. Now let's talk about eligibility. To qualify for these credits, you needed to be self-employed during some part of 2021 and of course to have earned a profit. You also qualify if you were a sole proprietor, the owner of a single-member LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship, a partner in a general partnership, or a member of a multi-member LLC taxed as a partnership. These credits apply if you were unable to work due to COVID-19. For example, if you were sick with COVID, under quarantine, or caring for someone else affected by the virus. The key here is that you were unable to work or telework for a period of time because of these COVID-related reasons. Let's break down the 4 credits. The first 2 cover the period from January 1st, 2021 to March 31st, 2021. These were extensions of similar credits available in 2020. You could get up to 10 days of sick leave credits if you were unable to work due to COVID-19. If you were caring for yourself, the credit could be up to $500 per day, maxing out at $5,110. If you were caring for someone else, it was 67% of your daily income, up to $200 per day, totaling $2,000. Then there's the family leave credit for that same period. You could claim up to 50 days if your child's school or daycare was closed due to COVID-19. This credit was capped at $200 per day, so the maximum was $10,000. The next 2 credits cover the period from April 1st to September 30th, 2021. The rules expanded a bit here, allowing you to claim the sick leave credit if you were seeking a COVID test, getting vaccinated, or recovering from the vaccine. The amounts remained the same, $500 per day for yourself, $200 per day if caring for others. And the family leave credit was bumped up to cover up to 60 days. So the maximum you could claim here was $12,000. So how do you actually get this money? First, you'll need to amend your 2021 tax return by filing Form 1040-X along with Form 7202, which is the form specifically for these credits. You have until April 18th, 2025 to do this, but why wait? The sooner you amend, the sooner you can get your refund. When you fill out Form 7202, you'll calculate the credits based on your net earnings from self-employment. You'll then transfer this amount to your revised 2021 Form 1040. Don't forget to include any necessary documentation. You don't need to send it with your return, but you should keep it in case of an IRS audit. Speaking of documentation, let's make sure you're covered. You'll need records that show the dates you couldn't work and the specific reasons why, like quarantine orders, medical advice, or school closures. Keep these records for at least 4 years. If you're audited, you'll need to prove that you qualified for these credits. It's better to have more documentation than you think you need. Trust me, if the IRS comes knocking, you'll be glad you kept everything organized. All right, let's wrap this up with a quick summary. If you were self-employed in 2021 and missed out on claiming these COVID-19 credits, you can still get up to $32,220 by amending your tax return. Make sure you're eligible, fill out the necessary forms, keep thorough documentation, and file as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your self-employed friends, and subscribe for more tips on maximizing your tax savings. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll do my best to help out. See you in the next video!